What's up, everybody? 500 subscribers, man. It has felt so short and so long. I feel like we've learned a lot together, we've seen a lot together, and it's just the beginning of the journey. I want to take a second, though, to thank you for watching as long as you've been watching, for being a part of this community, for commenting, for liking, subscribing, for sharing this video with other people, for asking questions and helping answer other people's questions. When I first started this channel, I knew that this was a stigmatized topic and it was something that wasn't being addressed. People were looking for answers, but they weren't necessarily finding a lot of information. There was a couple people out there that were making some content and having discussions about hair systems, hair loss, but not to the extent that I felt was needed. And we've started to create something here that I feel like is just the beginning. The overall vision of this is to not just be a YouTube channel for hair systems. It's for a group of men to go through life and to become better versions of themselves, to support one another in this journey to better ourselves, to empower ourselves, to live more full, rich, and holistically well lives. Now, I think we're doing a great job. Of course, we can get better. I appreciate you following through as I shaved my head, and I've been trying out some different things in that respect. I hope you didn't lose too much trust in that process, but this is the real journey, guys. This is what it really feels like. I shaved my head because I freaked out, and at first, I didn't feel like I wanted to share that with you. I didn't feel like I wanted to create videos anymore for you because I felt as if I had lost your respect. But then I remembered something. So many of you, including myself, have turned back on hair systems because something was a little bit hard, or because you couldn't figure something out, or because you didn't have somebody in your corner that could help you and guide you and just honestly support you, if nothing else. And there was times where I felt like that too. There was times when I felt so alone and that I didn't know how to go about my life. There's answers out there. There's a community out there, but we're all kind of quiet, shy, reserved, maybe afraid to show ourselves to the world and to each other. And I really want to change that, and I hope that you'll continue to follow me on this journey to do this. Now, as we move forward, I really want to encourage you that are longtime subscribers and fans and want to be a part of this community, that you continue to be models for how to treat other people. You continue to comment in ways that ask inquisitive questions and cause curious conversations, as opposed to judgments, ridicule, and potentially putting other men down as they're going along this journey. I think that we're doing a good job, but we always can be better in that respect. And I have started to censor the channel a little bit in that sense, not because I don't want to have those conversations, but because they're not asked in the appropriate format. I have no problem with you saying that I'm making a dumb choice. I have no problem with you saying someone else's comment is dumb. Well, I do. The problem that I have with it is that it shuts down conversation. It doesn't spark conversation. Ask a question. Ask why someone is thinking that way. Ask why or what or how someone is going about doing something instead of assuming. And I'm not going to get preachy here, but the reason for this is we're trying to support each other. We're trying to create conversation. We're trying to get better. And judgment only shuts down conversation instead of enable it. Now, by the time that you're actually watching this video, I'm going to be getting my hair system put on in Miami tomorrow, which I'm super excited to be back on this journey and start making some practical videos, as well as the history, looking at other people's you know, all that kind of stuff that I've been doing lately. I'm excited to start creating that type of content for you guys. And further down the road, we have some exciting plans. I'm working on creating some stuff that's really, really going to change the way that people do home maintenance for themselves in ways that they have not been able to before, which is going to, I believe, usher in a new age. I know I'm dramatic, but it's going to usher in a new age for us and a new way about going through this process and empowering us a little bit more. This is going to be some stuff that's, man, it's going to be groundbreaking. I swear, no one's done this inside of this community before. So stick around for that. I'm going to be encouraging you guys to join me on this journey, asking for feedback, all of this type of stuff. One last thing inside of this video. Hey guys, if you are thinking about getting a hair system, or you just got a hair system or you've been wearing for years, I want to have a conversation with you. As you see, I'm trying to start conversations on this channel with not only people inside the industry, inside of the business side of it, but people that have been wearing for a day, for 20 years. People that have things to say and that have expertise to lend and have different ways about going through their life. Because the more that we talk about this kind of stuff, the more that we watch this stuff and we spread it around and we see how normal everybody is, this is going to become less stigmatized, and that's beneficial for all. So listen, if you're a viewer and you feel like you want to have a conversation with me, please reach out to me, leave a comment below. I'll send you my email and we can actually get on an interview. You would not believe how much it helps the community. And by you being vulnerable and talking about it, hey, even if you don't have a hair system, if you're thinking about going bald, if you're thinking about shaving your head, if you're thinking about taking minoxidil or Rogaine or finasteride or any of this stuff, whatever you're going through on that journey, I would love to have a conversation with you. So please reach out to me. I really, really mean it. And I think that everyone inside this community would really appreciate it. So guys, thank you so much for following along on this journey. This week is going to be exciting as far as content, because I'm probably going to be creating some content going down to Miami, getting the new hair system, the process, all of this fun stuff I've been wanting to do for a while now, but it's just, you know how things are. Who knows? I might get rid of this when I get my hair system on. Who knows? We'll find out, right? All right, guys, thank you so much once again. You're awesome. I'm awesome, but we're all awesome together. Take care.